Hello. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hi sir. Hi. Can you hear me?
Hello.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Hanjura Maji. Good evening.
Yeah, hi sir. Okay, so let's start now. So tell me one thing, like did you watch any of the videos which I have given you on WhatsApp earlier?
The demo videos
Yeah, yeah.
for a short while, like थोड़ा
Mm-hmm.
5-7 मिनट के लिए.
Okay, okay, okay.
हाँ जी. हाँ
Okay,
जी.
so let's start now. See, first of all, I
जी.
am playing one ABCD video. Okay,
जी.
just like that you have the ABCD in English, just like that we have the script in same script in German also. Only the names of letters are totally different.
Are
Okay.
you sharing any screen?
Yeah, I have shared already. Check it.
It's not visible on mine. अच्छा. Okay. Now. ठीक है.
Visible?
जी.
Okay. So I am playing one video that is the alphabetic list of German.
Hmm.
Okay. So listen to it 2 3 times and then we'll compare it with English. Okay.
Okay.
Right? Yeah. Listen to it. All these videos, PDF, everything I'll send you. So just try to
Okay.
understand. No need to note down anything. All like, later you can take a printout. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Listen to it. I'm playing it twice.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Right? Okay. I'm playing it once again. Listen to it.
हाँ जी.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Once again. Last.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Okay. So that is the alphabet list, right? So now repeat after me. Okay. Abed Sede, speak. Yeah, speak. Abed Sede. You have to repeat these letters. Abed Sede.
Okay. A B C D
No,
E
no,
F
not BCD. Listen to me carefully. Abed Sede.
A B C D
Yeah, once again. Abed Sede, louder.
A B C D
AFG.
E F J
Yeah, speak louder. Ha, E, Yot, Ka.
E J K
LMNO, P.
L M N O P
Q, R, S, T.
Q R S T
Air, not R.
Q
Q, not Q. German sound
Q.
बोलना है. Q,
Okay.
R, S, T.
Q R S T.
Air, not R. Q,
Okay.
R, S, T.
Q R S T.
U, V, W.
U far away.
X, Y, Z.
X epsilon set.
Yeah. X, Y, Z. Okay, got it?
Oh, okay.
Correct. Yeah. Okay, once again. A, B, C, D. Speak.
A B
Hmm.
A B C D
AFJ.
E F J.
Ha, E, Yot, Ka.
Sorry.
Ha, E, Yot, Ka.
A E J K
LMNO, P.
L M N O P
Q, R, S, T.
Q R S T.
U, V, W.
U far away.
X, Y, Z.
X epsilon set.
Okay, yeah, I'm playing the video once again. Listen to it.
Okay.
A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y und Z.
Once again.
A B C D E F G H I J K L LMNOP QRSTUVW X Y und Z.
Okay, now what is the purpose of this? See, just suppose someone is filling your name in a form and he or she doesn't know English. So if you tell the letters of your name, if you say SHRENUJ, then no one will understand.
हाँ जी.
Okay, so that's why you have to learn this letter list. Clear?
Okay.
So I'm giving you some names. Give a try. Okay, go through the video once if you want to go through it. Then I'm giving you some names which you have to try to speak using these German letters. Okay. I'm giving you some names. So wherever it is required to use the actual letter name, then we'll be using this ABCD. We'll not use English ABCD. We'll be using this ABCD, ABCD. Okay?
Okay.
Right? I've given you some names. Go through it. Okay, give a try. If you want, you can listen the video once again. Once you're ready, let me know. Then we'll discuss these names. Okay? Fine?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me know once you're ready. After 4-5 minutes, we can start.
Can you give an example to me? Like
You have to
my
pronounce
name.
these letters. Okay, like S, H, R, A, N, U, J, Ga,
Okay.
O, A,
Okay.
L. Okay, the actual letter name you have to speak.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm saying Divya Gupta.
Okay.
The
No, day. Sir, you take your time. Okay, there is no hurry. You listen the video once, first 2-3 times.
okay.
Learn the letters and then speak it. So, ऐसा तो you will do lot of mistake directly if you start. Okay, it is day, not da. So listen the video once, download the video, listen to it 2-3 times. Then you give a try. Okay, so try to frame the words in your mind. After 3-4 minutes, once you're ready, then you start from the first name. Okay.
Okay.
I have sent the video. Download that. Listen to it once.
हाँ जी. Skype पे भेज रहे हैं, WhatsApp पे भेज रहे हैं.
I have sent on Skype already. Check it. ABCD
Okay,
final.
Okay. The thing is, I'm new to Skype.
Okay. Go to that chat section. There you will see where I have written the shall we start just below that. So you can right click and download that.
Okay.
Got the video? Got the video?
हाँ जी. I am
Okay.
सुन रहा हूँ video.
Okay, yeah.
How is G pronounced?
Ha, E, Abe, Sede, A, F, gay. Okay.
G-A-Y, like G-A-Y.
Yeah, gay is the name of letter. Okay. Nothing AY
Okay,
and all that
okay.
is not there. It's a normal gay. Gay is the sound. In English
Okay,
you say
okay.
G. In German you say gay. Okay.
Gay, okay. Okay, let's give it a try.
Okay. Start from the first word. Start from your name.
Yeah. S H A E N U yacht.
Hmm. Then
K
Hmm.
O
Hmm.
E L.
Hmm. A and
Next
L.
one
Yeah, A and L.
L L.
Then next.
Day
Yeah, speak louder. I cannot hear you properly.
Day
Hmm.
E Va uh,
No, 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 no. वाह कहाँ से आ गया? Fow, fow.
sorry
V is fow, fow. Okay.
F Pow.
Yeah, it's not वाह, it's fow.
Okay. Day E Pow. Is
नहीं, I'm not getting. डे के बाद तो E है ना? I is already there. आप what letter you are saying?
E कह रहा हूँ E
Where is E?
मेरे को I का E नहीं है pronunciation.
Yeah, day E. Then next V. V is fow.
Pow या Y नहीं आ रहा actually.
Epsilon, epsilon.
Epsilon. Okay. And A A
Ah, next.
Gay
Hmm.
who is uh,
Hmm.
who is
Listen the video once again.
okay.
Listen it once again. Try to learn the letters first, okay? Take 5 minutes of time. Try to learn them first properly. And better you write them on paper, the sound.
Okay.
Okay, start.
A I'm pronouncing Raman Sharma.
Yeah, first speak that first name, na? That we have not done. Divya Gupta, speak that properly.
Divya Gupta. Okay. They E Pow.
Sir, E, I is there, na? Where is fow directly?
I said E.
Day, E,
They
yeah. Hmm.
they E Pow. Epsilon A.
Next, surname.
Gay U Pe Te Pe
Hmm. What is the word for A?
A
Yeah. Next, second.
and A Air
Air, air, not air. Air.
Air A M A M M A R N
Hmm.
S
Hmm.
H is Ha
Ha.
Ha
Hmm.
A
नहीं नहीं आ it's not A. A.
Air M A
Next.
A M E T is Ta
Te, te.
Te
Next.
A Air O Air A
Next.
S Ha Air E N E Fow A S
Hmm. Next.
Air A M A N U is
Yacht. Yacht. Yacht.
Yacht A N
Next.
S Ha U B
Bay. Bay.
Ha
Not B. Slowly. Slowly. Bay. Bay.
Bay S Ha U Bay Ha E
Hmm.
A S L Ha M
Hmm.
K Ha A N.
No, that is ka, not K. Ka.
Ka. Ka. Okay. Ka. Ha. A N.
Next.
Ge. A. U. Air. A. B. Cow.
Hmm.
S. Ha. A. Air. M. A.
Hmm.
A. A. N. K. Ka. E. Te.
Hmm.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
J क्या था?
Yacht. Yacht.
Yacht. Yacht. A E N.
Hmm.
Fowl. E N A E E T.
A. Not E. That's A.
Yeah.
Hmm.
How do you spell it? E.
A. That's A. Okay.
Okay. A.
Hmm.
Fowl. E S H. W is wa.
Way. W is way, not wa.
Way. Way. Fowl. E S H. Way. A N A. Ta. Ha. An. Ha N. Ta ha. A N.
Hmm.
A. Dha. Ha. E. De. U. Te. Te. A. T. Stay.
Yeah. T
Okay.
stay. Okay.
Okay. S. U. Stay. Air. E. Y is Epsilon.
Hmm.
A.
Hmm.
Air. A. N. E.
Correct. Okay.
Yeah.
So that is the names of letter. Okay, those
Yeah.
are the names of letters, right? So
Yeah.
you know, whenever you have a requirement of any capital letter, example, if you say BMW, so never say BMW, you will say BMW. So the
BMW.
German names of letters you have to use.
Okay.
Okay. Now we have to start with the sounds.
Hmm.
Okay, so A B C D, that is the name of letter, like A B C D E F G. Now we have to start with the sounds.
Okay.
Okay, we have to start with the sounds. So see here, see my screen.
Not yet.
Yeah, this is the same PDF which I gave you yesterday. So first rule is, whenever any word is ending with B, D or G in German.
Like, I'm not able to see the screen.
Yeah, it will load.
Share.
Wait a second.
Okay. Yes, now I am.
Whenever any word is ending with B, D or G, respectively, the sound will be per, ta and ka.
Okay.
Okay, so speak the example. Geep.
Okay.
Speak. Geep.
Keep.
Next.
Kint. Tak.
Tak. Okay, Geep, Kint and Tak.
Okay.
Right. Then next is A. A is having. Yeah, tell me. You're asking something.
Yeah. Why is GIV written as GEEP?
That is the
I
rule.
sound.
I sound you will see later. Okay, I sound you will see
Okay.
below. Just
Okay.
focus on the B sound. That
Okay,
when
okay.
B is in the end, sound is per 99%.
Okay.
Okay, 1% exceptions will be there. Focus on the sound of B, D, and G. This I and A that you will see now.
Okay.
So A is having two sounds, A and A.
Okay.
A sound like car and A like Aman, Raman, A. So what is the rule? See, whenever after A you have to count the consonants. Okay. So this B, C, D till Z, these are the consonants. So you have to count the consonants coming after A. You have to count the consonants coming after A. After A, if it is one consonant, then A sound.
Okay.
Okay. After A, if it is one consonant, then A sound, and otherwise it is A.
Okay.
Right? Otherwise it is A. So if you see the first example, ALT. After A, how many?
2.
2. Okay, just wait. Now see the second example, FRAGEN. After A, how many?
1.
1. Correct. Then TRAGEN. After A, how many?
One.
So if it is after A, if it is one consonant, then A sound like fragen,
Okay.
tragen, otherwise like alt.
Okay.
Okay, so speak the example. Speak the example.
Alt. Who. Fragen. Fragen.
Correct. Next is E. E is having the A sound. Okay. E is
Okay.
having the A sound. Speak the example.
SN.
SN. Next.
Egal.
Egal. Okay. After A, it is one consonant, so A sound.
consonant.
Egal.
Okay.
Okay. Next is I. I is having two sounds, long E and short E.
Okay.
Okay. I is having two sounds, long E and short E. So speak the example.
ISS.
Yeah. After I, if it is one consonant, then long E, otherwise short E.
Okay.
Okay. So speak the example. Ist. After I, it is three consonants. So ist.
Three.
Ist.
Okay. If there is single consonant,
Then
then
long
it
E,
is
otherwise short E.
short. Okay.
Yeah. So here it is more than one. That's why it is short E. Ist. Okay.
It is.
Next, second,
There is one consonant.
wieder.
With there.
Wieder. Okay.
Okay.
Next, BILD.
There is two consonants.
Built. Okay.
And P is sounded as
Yes.
T.
Exactly. D in the end is ka. That's why it becomes built.
Okay.
Okay. So now you are asking this question GIBC. After I, it is one consonant.
Okay.
Okay. After I, it is one consonant. So that's why it is long E. Geek.
Okay.
Okay. Second example.
There are two consonants after I,
Hmm.
so it will be shorty,
Kint.
kin.
Okay. So after I, it is two consonant. That's why it is short E.
Okay.
Right. So that becomes kint. Okay.
Okay.
And next is tak. So after A, it is one. So A sound. Tak. Okay. Then next is A. A is having two sounds. A and A. Okay.
And
A and A. After A, if it is one consonant, then A sound. Okay. Otherwise, A.
okay.
Right. So speak the example. Alt.
Alt, fragen,
Hmm.
tragen,
Alt, fragen and tragen. Okay.
tragen.
Yeah. Next is E. E is having the A sound.
Is
Okay. E is having the A sound. Speak the example. SN
SN,
and
egal.
egal. After A, it is one consonant. So egal.
Consonant. Okay.
Okay. Next is
Haan ji.
okay. Ist, wieder and build. This we have done. A and E.
Yes.
I also we have done.
I
And
also.
next is O. O is having two sounds. O and O. Okay. After O, if it is one consonant, then O sound. Otherwise, O for awesome.
Okay.
So you have to remember these rules. Okay. They're a little bit difficult. So you can take your time. There is no hurry. Okay. After O, it is one consonant, then O sound. Otherwise, O for awesome.
Okay. Then
So speak the example. Oder.
other,
Oder.
other,
Zol.
Zol,
Hmm.
monarch,
Monat.
corp,
Corp. Okay. Oder, Zol, Monat and Corp. Got it?
okay.
Okay. Next is U.
S,
U.
S is sounded as Z.
Yeah. Single S is the, double S is sir. Okay.
Okay.
Right. Single S is the and double S is sir.
Sir,
Correct. Next is U. U is having the U sound. Speak the example.
tune,
Tun. Correct. Tun.
tune,
Next. Mutter
mutter,
and shoe.
and this is
Okay. Shoe. So SCH is
Shoe.
sure. SCH is sure. That is shoe.
shoe.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Go through it. Tell me if you have any doubt in this A, E, I, O, U.
ये उसमें चैट सेक्शन में
Sorry, what?
ये चैट सेक्शन में है ये भी फाइल
Yeah, this is the same which I gave you yesterday. I'm sending it again.
ओके नहीं I've got it.
So now what you do, download the file from that chat section.
I did.
Yeah, download the file, revise the rules for A, E, I, O, U for 5 minutes. Revise the rules and the example.
For AIU.
A, E, I, O, U. Revise them properly, the rule and the example, then we'll discuss them again from the top.
Okay.
Okay? Yeah.
Okay.
Done? A, E, I, O, U?
I'm right currently on O.
Okay.
Okay, done.
Yeah, start from the top, speak the rule and the example in short. Okay.
Okay.
From that BDG PTK, you can see the screen and then speak. Only the rule in short and the examples directly.
Okay. Okay.
Start.
Firstly, any word ending with B will be pronounced as P. Any word ending with C will be pronounced as T. Any word ending with G will be pronounced as K. For example, G, E,
Geep,
E
geep,
will
geep.
G,
Mm.
and K, E, N,
Yes,
T,
speak the example,
Da.
na? Directly speak the
Okay.
example. Kint
In Kent. Okay.
and tak. Speak the
Ta,
example
ta.
directly. Tak.
Okay.
Okay. So geep means give, kint is child, tak is day. So right now we are not doing the meaning. Just focus
Yeah.
on the sound. Okay.
Okay. Give,
Mm.
Kent, tak.
Tak.
Okay. A, if it is coming before a single consonant, it will be pronounced as A.
Mm.
And it is coming if it is coming after before a double consonant, it will be pronounced as A.
Mm.
For example, in Earl,
Mm.
Fragen,
Mm.
Dragon.
Next. E.
E will be pronounced as A.
Mm.
Sn, Sn,
SN. SN. Mm.
Sn, Egal,
Egal. Okay.
Egal.
After it is one consonant, so A sound. Egal.
Yeah, yeah.
Next. I.
If it is coming before a single consonant, it will be pronounced as E,
Mm.
like a long E, and if
Mm.
it is before a double consonant, it will be like E, a
Yeah.
small E.
Yeah. Example.
There are three consonants, so it is ist,
Mm.
wieder,
Mm.
built,
East, Wieder and build.
built.
Okay. Clear.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. Next. O. O is having two sounds. O and O.
Oh, if it
Okay.
is before a single consonant, it will be a
O. O. O sound.
O. The original O.
Yeah.
If it is before a double consonant, it will be a.
O for awesome. Yeah.
Awesome. Yeah. A dare,
Hmm.
sol,
Hmm.
monarch,
Hmm.
corp,
Oder, Zol.
monarch, and corp. Corp.
Next.
U will be pronounced as
Hmm.
tune, muter,
Tune, Mutter and Shoe.
shoe. Yes.
Okay. SH is sure. Tune, Mutter and Shoe.
Muter and S. It will be pronounced as shoe.
Sure. Yeah. SH is sure. Na?
Sure. Sure.
Okay. So you have heard of companies like Bosch, Schindler, Schneider.
Yeah,
They're all
yeah,
SH
yeah,
is
yeah,
sure.
yeah.
Okay. They're all German companies. So SH is fixed. It's a consonant combination. SH is a combination.
Okay.
That is the sure sound.
Okay.
Right. Okay. Now next which we have is the consonants. Okay. So let's start with the consonant. So first consonant is B. Okay. First consonant is B. So B, if you remember, I gave you one table BDG PTK. Okay. So B in the end is per. B in the end is per, and beginning of middle is B for Bombay.
Okay.
Okay. B in the end is per, beginning of middle B for Bombay. So speak the example.
Belen,
Belen,
Uben,
Oben,
Corp,
Corp,
Geep,
Geep. Okay. Belen, Oven, Corp, and Geep. Right. Okay. Next is C. C is having the K sound. Speak the example. Camping.
Camping,
Yeah, they have taken this word from English only, so you can speak like that. Camping.
Camping.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay.
Then next is D. So D in the end is T, and beginning of middle is D for dog.
Dog. Okay.
Okay. D in the end is T, and beginning of middle is D for dog.
Dog.
So speak the example. Dum.
Doom.
Then next Bider. EI is I. EI is a vowel combination. Okay.
EI is
EI is a vowel
I.
combination. Yes. EI is a vowel combination. EI is I. So Bider.
Spider.
Next. Reader.
Feeder.
Yeah, I is E.
Bat.
Okay. Reader, Bart and Hunt.
Bat and hunt.
Hunt. Okay. Dum, Bider, Reader, Bart and Hunt.
Okay.
Okay. Next is F. F is fur. Okay. F is fur. So speak the example.
Foul.
Foul. Okay, AU is ow. It is another vowel combination. AU is ow. So that is foul.
Okay. Shaft.
Yeah, shaft. SH is shaft.
Okay.
Okay. Foul and then shaft. Right. Next is G. G in the end is K. G in the end is K and beginning of middle is G for them. G in the end is K and beginning of middle is G for them. So speak the example.
Again.
Again. Next.
Talk.
Tak. Next.
Luke.
Luke. Okay. Gegen, Tak and Luke.
Luke.
Okay. Next is H. H in the beginning is her. Okay. H in the beginning is her. Beginning means first position. So in the beginning it is her and middle or end it is silent. Okay.
Anywhere it is
Everywhere it is silent. Only in the first position it is her.
first letter. Okay.
Yeah.
Halt. Gain.
Gayan.
Zain.
Zayan. Okay. Halt. Gayan and Zayan.
Okay.
Right. Next is J. J is ya sound. So speak the example.
Younger.
Younger. Okay.
Younger.
Yes. Right? Younger. Next is KLMNP, that is having the same Kala same sound. KLMNP, same sound.
Okay.
Okay. KLMNP is having the same sound. That is same like English. Kala Manapa. So speak the example. Cluster.
Cluster.
Yeah. Next. Chicken.
Chicken.
Next.
Keller.
Will. Next.
Earthman. Shrimp. Renan. Brown. Lipper.
Okay. Clear? So now again download the PDF. Okay. Again open the PDF, revise everything from B till P. Revise the vowels again and revise everything from B till P. Okay.
Revise the vowels again or on the consonants?
Sorry, which one?
Vowels फिर से revise करूँगा consonants only.
Both you have to revise complete PDF from A till P. All the words.
Okay.
Yeah.
Should I speak?
Revise them first, okay?
Okay.
First revise from A till P properly. Revise all the rules and examples from A till P.
Yeah. Excuse me. Hello.
Okay, ready now?
No doubt करने पर
I cannot hear you.
हेलो
No, I cannot hear. बहुत धीरे आ रही है आपकी वॉइस.
हेलो अब आ रही है
Sir, it's very low. I cannot hear properly.
एक मिनट
Yesterday it was much better. आज तो बहुत ही धीरे आ रही है.
अब आ रही है आपको
बहुत धीरे, very slow, very low.
एक मिनट को हेडफोन चेंज कर दीजिए
Okay.
हेलो
Yeah.
अच्छा एक जरा जो ये बी वाला पेज है
Yeah.
अगर अगर ई एंड में आ रहा है तो इट विल बी प्रोनाउंस्ड एज
Oh, yes, yes. E will be okay. That you will see later. So E in the end
Okay.
is sound.
ओके अगर ओनली इफ इट इज कमिंग इन लास्ट
Only if it is coming in the last. Okay.
ओके ओके ओके
Yeah.
ठीक है
Okay.
कर लिया रिवाइज कर लिया एक बार मैंने
Yeah. So start from the top. Okay. Only the examples from this BDGP. Okay. Only the examples you have to speak.
ओके
Hmm.
गीक
Hmm.
टेंट
Hmm.
टाक
Hmm.
अल्ट
Hmm.
फ्रैगेन
Hmm.
ट्रैगेन
Hmm.
एसेन
SN.
एसेन एगाल
Egal. Next.
एगाल ईस्ट
Hmm.
विडेर
Leader.
विडेर बिल्ट
Built. Built.
बिल्ट
Hmm.
ऑर्डर
Hmm.
जॉल
Hmm.
मोनाट
Yeah.
कार्प कार्प
Monad and Corp. Corp.
कॉर्प ओके कॉर्प टून
Next.
मुटेर
Yeah.
शू
Hmm. Next.
बेलेन
Hmm.
ओबेन
Hmm.
कॉर्प
Corp.
गीत
Geep.
या
Okay.
कंपिंग
Camping. It's an English word. You can speak like it. Camping only. Okay.
okay it will be pronounced as camping only
Yes. Yes. It's an English word. You can speak like that only.
okay
Hmm. Next.
next is doom
Hmm.
bader
Bida. Bida.
bider
Hmm.
wider
Hmm.
bath
Hmm.
अच्छा ये 30% आ साउंड का क्या लॉजिक है
Which one?
जो ये लिखा है 30% आ साउंड
That I'm saying that whenever A is having two consonants, so don't make it your full hunt. Little bit R you have to mix. Okay.
okay
So that is hunt. Little bit R will come. Hunt.
hunt
Hmm.
okay foul
Hmm.
shaft
Fowl and shaft. Okay.
shaft
Next. G.
game
Hmm.
tak
Hmm.
kluk
Loop.
halt
Gegen. Gegen. Not Gegen. That's Gegen.
नहीं halt
Yeah.
halt
Yeah.
actually
Yeah.
मैंने halt
Halt.
game zayn
Hmm.
younger
Hmm. Hmm.
classer
Hmm.
chicken
Hmm.
keller
Hmm.
will
Hmm.
atman
Hmm.
swim
Hmm.
rennen
Hmm.
brown
Hmm.
lipper
Lipper. Rennen, brown and lipper.
lippen rennen brown lippen
Yeah. Okay. Done till here. Everything.
lipper yeah
Okay. So that completes our letters till P. So now I'm opening the next file.
yeah
Okay. So that next one is your the first letter which we have is Q. Okay. The first letter which we have is Q. So Q always comes with U, and Q sound is Q.
एक मिनट स्क्रीन लोड हो रही है
Yeah. You can see my screen.
yeah
Q sound is Q.
qua
Yes. Q sound is Q.
Okay.
So speak the example.
square
Square. Okay. Correct.
okay
Next is R. R is the glottal R sound. R plus R mix. Okay.
r
Yeah, glottal R. Glottal means inside of the neck. R like this.
R.
Correct. Okay. Yeah. So speak the example. Riser, brooder, and Schwester.
Riser,
Hmm.
Brooder,
Hmm.
and Schweitzer.
Schwester. Riser, brooder, and Schwester.
Schwester.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Riser, brooder, and Schwester.
Hmm.
Right. Next is
Yeah.
S. Single S is the, double S is the.
G.
Okay. Single S is the and double S is the. So speak the example.
Zinges.
Zingen.
Zingen. Okay.
Hmm. And
Schloss.
Schloss. Okay. Zingen and Schloss.
Schloss. Uh,
Hmm. Next is T. T is T for tomato. Okay.
Okay.
T is T for tomato. So speak the example. Tunken and Ratten.
Tunken. Rotten.
Correct. Tunken and Ratten.
Rotten.
Got it?
Hmm.
Okay. Next
Yeah.
is V. V is fur and W is ver. Right?
Okay.
V is having the fur
W
sound
is what?
and W is ver sound. So speak the example.
Okay. Volkswagen.
Volkswagen. Right? Volkswagen.
Okay.
Correct. Next.
Hmm.
Okay. Volkswagen. Fox means people. Wagen means cars. That becomes Volkswagen.
Oh. Okay.
Okay. Yeah.
Feel.
Next example. Feel.
Hmm.
Feel.
Feel.
For.
For. Ves. Vesser.
Wasser.
Wasser. Vegan. Wo.
Wo. Feel, for,
Wo.
Wasser, vegan and wo.
Wo.
Okay. Yeah. Next is X. X is X only. Speak the example.
X. ऊपर वाला कौन सा?
X is X only. This is the X. X is Strahlen is the example. Speak. X is
Okay.
Strahlen.
X Starlet.
Correct. X is Strahlen. X is Strahlen means X-rays.
अच्छा.
Okay.
X Starlet.
X is Strahlen. That's a common single word. X is Strahlen means X-rays.
X-rays. Okay.
Yeah. Then after that, next one is Y. Y is we. Okay.
Y is we.
Y is we sound.
Oh, we.
Okay, so that becomes twip.
Tweet.
Yeah. This image is little bit cut from here. Y is we, so that becomes twip.
Okay. Tweet.
Next is Z. Z is ta plus sa mix. Okay, ta plus sa sound. Mix of ta plus sa. Okay. So speak the example. Sight and souk.
Z.
Sight and souk.
Sorry.
Sight and souk. Z is mix of ta and sa. Sight and souk.
अच्छा. Sight and souk.
Yeah. Right.
Okay.
Sight and souk. Okay.
Souk.
Yeah. So this is the same PDF which I gave you yesterday. Second one, part 2. Okay. So open that and revise everything from Q till Z. Just only till Z. Only till here we'll do today. Revise everything from Q till Z.
Okay. Right.
Yeah. Yeah, done from Q till Z.
ये R वाला एक बार रिपीट कर दीजिए please.
R is R plus her mix. Riser, brooder, Schwester. Okay.
Okay. Brooder,
Riser, brooder, and Schwester.
Schwester.
Yeah.
Okay. H ज़्यादा है. H का component ज़्यादा है.
It's R plus her mix. Okay. Riser,
Okay.
brooder, and Schwester.
अगर शुरू में आ रहा है तो R का component ज़्यादा है.
And in the end, it is the her component more. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, so speak the example from Q. Speak them.
Square.
Next.
Rise.
Riser.
Riser. Brooder. Schwester.
Schwester. Okay.
Schwester.
Yeah, Schwester.
Okay. Zingen. Schloss. Duncan.
Tunken. Yeah.
Ratten. Next is Volkswagen.
Yeah.
Volkswagen. Feel. For. Wasser.
Yeah.
Vegan.
Next.
Wo.
Okay. Next. X.
Shirt.
X is Strallen. Okay.
Strollen.
X is Strallen. Correct. Next. Y is
Okay.
V.
Why is we?
V.
It is.
So that is quick.
Acha, tweet. Okay.
Quick. Yeah.
That is
Side.
Sight.
Yeah.
Souk.
Sight and souk.
Okay.
Okay.
So तीन तो almost silent ही है फिर.
Which one? Yeah, it's kind of silent, but little bit sound is there. Sight and souk. Try to put little bit.
Sight and souk.
Correct. Okay. So we'll do till here today. Your homework is just revise these rules once again.
Okay.
These rules are very important. You can see in the language they are writing something else and they are speaking something else.
Exactly.
Okay. So that's why these rules are there a little bit boring, but the rules are very important. In the next class, I'll show you. See here, we'll be speaking these kind of passages in the next class. Okay.
Sorry.
We'll be speaking these kind of passages. You can see my screen.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay. So this is the task for next class, right? Your homework is just revise everything till here.
Okay. And when will be the next class?
Next class, yeah. 1 second. Let me check. Wait a minute.